banana. Oh wow. Banana, you see banana? I like banana. So I'm monkey. Monkey like banana, and you guys like banana? You guys like monkey too. Monkey eat banana. I also eat bananas as well. Good evening, beautiful people. Welcome back for a new video. And today I'm going to review homegrown plants surrounding my home. Okay, let's check it out. Let's go. Things that I'll show you is rambutan. So you see, rambutan there are some green and there are some red. It's ready to pick it up and eat. I got few rambutan trees. Right here is a big tree called avocado trees. There are no fruits at the moment. It's the end of the season for avocado, but there are some types of avocados still have fruits. But anyway, it's the last season of the avocado fruits. So I got one big here. There's papayas, the little one. The bigger one have some fruits up there, right? But little fruit, you can see it clearly. It's a little bit dark. The 4, 6, 7 fruits. It's also papayas as well. Has the avocado. Oh wow, it's nice, big. But you know, you can see the skins out. It's like it's not really green, but something become brown or a little bit brown, you know. But this avocado tastes really good and real organic. About 3 years. This year, the first year start having fruit. Lemon trees, so we call lime actually, and lime is very important for daily life, for cooking, eating, shaking. So I really like limes. Lime is really good and good for health as well, and good for your throat. When you get sore throat, you just got lime and will take very soon to be healed. And now you can see the little limes, little one. Beautiful flowers, though. Passion fruit. Oh wow, it's beautiful flowers. Oh, it's very nice. Very nice. And passion fruits up next to lemon trees. Closer to see dragon fruit. Oh, you see, there's no fruits as well. No fruits at all. Avocado is easy to plant. It takes time, 4 to 5 years to grow from this real seed. How big of the durian trees? Quite big, right? It's about 10 years old trees. And look at the ideal branch of durian. Dun. Oh, wow! Many durians in this branch. Wow! Oh my God! 2, 4, 10, 14, 16, 20. Oh, around 50 durians on this branch. Oh, very nice, very nice. Yeah, of course, this season is durian season. Oh, taro. Taro. Banana again. Oh, wow, very nice, very nice. Beautiful banana. Big and long. Next to orange is banana. Oh, wow. Banana, you see banana? I like banana. So I'm monkey. Monkey like banana. You guys like banana? You guys like monkey too. Monkey eat banana. Also eat bananas as well. Really? Oh, fresh chili, green. The chili, got chili. I love chili, but not much. A little bit. I don't like spicy. Hello, dog. That's my friend. He's always following me all the time. Little papaya again. Very tiny fruit. There are two little papayas here. Wow, green. What's the big house over there? It's not my house. It's a chicken house. Chicken house. It's bigger than my house at farm, actually. Okay. And my friends come to visit and say that, what is this house? Is your house? I said, no, it's for my father chicken. My father chicken's house. They built this house to raise his chickens. And I said, wow. My friend said, oh, bigger than your house? Of course, it's bigger than my house. In my farmhouse, very little. So now let's check in the chicken house. So these are my father chicken. Oh, there are young chickens, that's still little, not enough. A too custom for food. 1, 2, 3, 4 chicken. Actually, my father's got around 50 chickens. I raised some chicken at my farm, my farmhouse, but I don't know, somebody stole all my chicken. I got no chicken, so I'll raise some chicken again very soon. Behind my house, what is the big tree in front of me? We call milk fruit. Milk fruit. Milk fruit is a rounded fruit like apple. It's turned to brown or black colors when it get red. And the taste a little bit sweet, but some is very sweet, of course, sweet, juicy, and milky, and like a little bit sticky liquid inside when you chop this out. So big milk fruit tree. Guys, that's it for today. Hope you guys liked my video, my homegrown reviews. And if you like my video, don't forget to subscribe and to click on the bell icon for new video alert. And see you guys soon. And thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye. Have a good day.